Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel FT Tems. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest running videos. So guys, let's start out today's video with the detail. I'm going to show you a very useful learning platform, and you can create account in this platform. So how to create account in this platform? Watch my video with the description. Simply input your email address, put your password, and enter your password. After complete the sign up button, and your account ready. My account already ready, so I put my details and click the sign in option. And my account login, I will tell you about this platform. You can see about this platform every details in here. You can see the minimum investment 11 USDT and minimum withdrawal 1 USDT. If you deposit 11 USDT, you can earn daily 1.6 USDT. You can see that every day after click the button, simply click the richest option. I will show you how to reach us in the platform. So click the richest option and you can choose BIP 20 USDT. Simply BIP 20 USDT and copy that to go to the URL. Press that to put your amount, and on your rules and come here and click recharge completed button. Your account done for deposit, and simply click the tax option, and I will show you how to complete your tax. So simply click the to complete option. You can see the tax is loading. After the loading successfully done, I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Simply click the me section. You can see that my balance has 2 into 60, and I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Simply go to my wallet. My wallet. Click add fund deposit crypto USDT shows and network BNB chain net, and simply copy the BNB spend net and paste the BNB spend net and put your amount on 1.6 and put your password. I put my password and click the confirm button. You can see my withdrawal successfully you can see the VIP section. There are many kind of VIP available: VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, almost VIP 10 in available. VIP 1 daily income 1.6, VIP 2 9.80, VIP 3 30 into 60, and you can see I received my withdrawal 1.6 DT, and you can see there are a team section. There are 3 levels for team commission. Simply copy the link and share your social media and a lot of money by the sharing. You can see there are many kind of languages available in English, France, Italian, Arabic, in many Bangla, Hindi, Arabic, very kind of language in available. You can see that. And guys, if you face any kind of problem, you can simply contact the customer service and solve your problem. So guys, I did not force anyone. This is your own choice and your own risk. So guys, until today's video, see you next another running video, guys.